Direct and inverse variation. The volume of a sphere varies directly with the radius cubed. We're going to use V for volume and R for radius. So the volume of a sphere, V equals, varies directly with the radius cubed. So that'll be a constant times the radius to the third power. Now, the volume of the sphere is 13.5, while the radius is 1.5. So we're going to put 13.5 here, the constant, and for R, we're going to put 1.5 to the third power. Now, 1.5 to the third power, let's see, I calculate that to be 3.375. Okay. Now we're going to take this and solve for the constant k. So I'm going to divide both sides by 3.375. 3.375, and we'll get k here. And 13.5 divided by 3.375, that's going to be, let's see, it's going to be 4. Okay, divides evenly into 4. So this means that our volume is equal to 4 times the R to the third power. Okay, the last part. What would the volume be if the radius was 1 meter? So volume equals 4 times 1 to the third power here. And furthermore, V equals 4 times 1, and that would be 4. 1 to the third power is 1, and 4 times 1 is 4. And since this is volume in meters, we're going to say 4 meters cubed. Okay. Alright, now to preserve the volume of a prism, of a square prism, the height must vary inversely with the side length squared. The height, we'll use h for that, and the side length squared, let's use an L, and it's inversely. Okay, so h is going to equal k over the length, and it's going to be squared. Okay, so this is to preserve the volume, keep the volume the same. Alright, we're told that the height is 10 yards and the length is 2 yards. So this will be 10 here and k over 2 to the second power. Now 2 to the second power will be 4. And we're going to multiply both sides by 4 in order to isolate the k. So multiply by 4. So we'll multiply here and here. This will give me 1k, and 4 times 10 will be 40. And that's my constant. So the formula is actually, 40 is my constant. The formula is actually now h equals 40 as a constant over L squared. Since I'm running out of room, I'm going to go to the other side here, create another side. So h equals 40 all over L squared. Question is, what is the height if the side length was 4 yards? So let's put in a length of 4 yards, 4 squared. So this will be 40, and 4 squared would be 16. And I can simplify this fraction. Let's divide everything by 4. See how much that simplifies it. That'll be a 10, and this will be a 4. I can divide it by another 2. I get 5 over 2, which comes out to be about 2.5. Or 2.5. And this is all yards. So let's see. YD.